Partially remove or loosen the two uppermost screws on the contact block using your flathead screwdriver. Once both screws are loose, simply slide the contact block off of the drive. Take your new contact block and with the caution label facing up or away from the joystick, slide it onto the drive. Please note that caution labels are only on DC contact blocks. AC contact blocks do not have the same orientation requirement when installing. Finally, tighten the two uppermost screws using your flathead screwdriver. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website or contact us today.